This is how I played this worship song. If you've actually watched my previous tutorials on how to use chords, I believe it will help you a lot in playing worship songs. You know, worship songs are all about melody and not basically the use of major chord. It uses a lot of minor chords that touches the soul, that has some kind of modern sound. That's what makes worship song beautiful. So that's the only way you can play worship song and it will help people to pray. So basically I've already talked about the chords in my previous tutorials. So this is what I play. This is how I played this worship song. So I use these chords on my left: do, so, do. I use this one also: mi, mi, ti, mi. I use this one also: mi, ti, mi. I use this one also: fa, do, fa. And I use this one also: so, re, so. I equally use this one: la, mi, la. So I use this chord: do, so, do, re, la, re, mi, ti, mi, fa, do, fa, so, re, so, la, mi, la. It's only T that I don't use. I will take it one more time: do, so, do, re, la, re, mi, ti, mi, fa, do, fa, so, re, so, la, mi, la. So those are basically the chords I use. So here, when playing worship songs, most times I don't use chords. Like I don't play chords on my right. I try to pick it one by one so that I will fill in the gaps. Let's say maybe the song I just played, it can also be played like this. I mean, the tune, it doesn't really make much sense to me. I don't even know how to play it that way. So I use one notes and then play chords where necessary. So for me, that is how I play it, and I believe it brings out the beauty of worship songs. So this is how I played the one I just played. So, mi, so, la. Playing la, I use fa, do, fa, la, fa, mi, re. On this re, I use so, re, la, la, so. This so again, I use mi, ti, mi, so, ti, mi. That is what I play on my right. So, mi, re, do. Playing this do, I use this la, mi, la. Then this one is just additional distance to fill in the gap. Do, re, mi, fa. I use fa, do, fa, re, fa. What I play on my right is fa, la. Not even fa, do, la. Fa, la, re, do, ti. I use so, re, so, la, so. This so now, I come back to my major chord. Do, re, mi, fa, so. This one is just filling it. It's just la, so. Then the next thing is so, do, ti, la. But I don't want to leave it just empty like that. That's why I filled it up with do, re, mi, fa, so. So, do, ti, la. Fa, do, fa. Fa. I played la, then fa. Do, ti, so, re, so, ti, la, so. I come back to this my minor, mi, ti, mi, so, mi, re, do, la, mi, la, do, re, mi, fa. Sometimes I use fa, do, fa for this fa. Some other times I use fa. But here I'll play fa, la, re, fa, re, do, ti, and then so ti, re, do. So as you play it continually, your own interlude or whatever thing you wish to play will come naturally on its own. So sometimes this is what I play as interlude. I use it often in playing worship songs. This chord, so do re mi so, and then mi la ti do mi. I use them much. So for my interlude, I may just play this. So so fa la fa mi re fa fa mi so do mi re do. I play do la do re mi fa la do re do ti so ti re. Then I put fa do so do re mi so mi la ti do mi ti mi la ti do mi do ti la. So that is how I play it. I'll refer you back to the first piano classes that I did. I mean, that's one for the absolute beginners. I left some PDF there with some chords that I use often. So I think that will be of help. So this is how I played it. I will take it slowly one more time for you to get it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next class. God bless you. If you are new to my channel and you want to be notified whenever I upload new videos online, I will advise you to use the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. With that, it will enable you to get notification anytime I upload new videos online. If you learned one or two things from my videos, please click the like button and share with your friends so that others will know that my videos have some useful content. I would so much love to hear from you. I would so much appreciate your comments. And if there is any tutorial you want me to make, please drop it as a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. God bless you.